Okay guys, so meron tayong ginawang na post ngayon for the client. Ang sabi niya sa akin, ito yung sabi ni Jose sa akin, si Jose yung client ko. Sabi niya, ito yung, nagtanong ako, is this good? Sabi niya, yes, but we should do page post for this. Maybe the image will come out better. Check if it will. Okay, gotcha. Ito yung reply natin. Reply niya, awesome. Sige. So, paano ba natin gawin tong page post? So, basic lang din guys. First is we need to go to, since ito yung ad account natin, we're going to go here sa business tools. And then, pumunta tayo doon sa page post. So, okay, and open na natin yan in the new tab. And then, boom. Nasa open na yan siya. Then, let's wait for it to load. Kasi along the way guys, pag meron na kayong client regarding sa Facebook ads, ito yung talaga yung mga task na gagawin natin as a Facebook ads freelancer. And the good thing about that, if kung wala pa kayong experience, and I think this is the right time na para bang malaman nyo rin kung ano ba yung mga Facebook ads na mga task na gagawin nila. So, example, nandito na tayo ngayon sa page post. So, we're going to get the, ano ba yan? Saan ba? Ito, globalized page natin guys. So, punta tayo dito. I-type lang natin beach. Boom. Oh, globalize. Bakit wala? This is a page pala. Ito yung page. Sorry. This is a page pala guys. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, pupunta tayo dito para sa page, and then write a public post. Sabihin natin, schedule post. Hanapin natin guys sa ads. And then ito, dito natin i-create yung page natin. Kasi ito yung product natin guys. So, ito yung brand na tinatrabaho namin ngayon. And ito yung ito yung binibenta namin for the client in the US. It's a swimwear. So, ang ginawa ko, nagkumuha na ako ng image kagad. So, parang in-screenshot ko lang siya. Ito yun. Yan. Screenshot ko yan siya. And then, once maging okay, we're gonna put that one here sa ating page post. Then, create post tayo, guys. And then, click natin yung photo. Okay, we can drop the photo daw here, sabi niya. So, let's try to drop it here. Boom. Yan, may photo na tayo. And then, yung copy is basically kakapihin lang natin to. Let's copy that one. Balik tayo sa page post. And boom. Only use this post for an ad. Use post. Okay, so yan. Gagawin natin yan. I-check natin yan dyan. And then, create natin yung post. Boom. So basically, hindi yan siya mag-appear sa timeline natin guys, sa client. But, mag-appear yan siya sa kung gawa natin na yung ad. So, i-refresh muna natin para makita natin yung post natin earlier. I'll just wait for it to load. Medyo matagal ang loading natin. Ayan na. There you go. Kaya parang ito na yun. So once we're going to click the one, i-click natin. So there you have it. May nakalagay na dyan na para pang tama yung photo na nakalagay. So, what we're going to do now is copy this ID. Copy natin yan. And then, create natin yung bagong ad. Let's say, for example, this one. Create. And then, of course, gamitin natin yung conversion para sa purchase. Then, lagyan natin ng client natin na for sale. Page post. Winning product. And then, date natin ngayon, 7/24. And then, lagyan natin yung country, US 18+. swim. Tayo mo yung swimsuit yan. And then, page post. Add. Then, click natin yung continue. Boom. Yan. So, just wait for it to load again. Ito na yung ad set natin, campaign natin guys. So, remember. And then, swimsuit. Pwede natin cancel. Done. And yeah, make sure natin yung budget natin is depende rin sa budget ng client, no? Sa amin, budget kami na $15. And then USA, and then klapin natin yung swimsuit. Boom, meron. Click natin yung tama. So, click on next. Dito tayo sa page post. So, ito yung page post natin guys. So, kailangan lang natin gawin is, we don't have to do anything dito sa ad. Kailangan natin gawin is dito lang sa ad setup. And i-click natin yung ad setup. And then, i-click natin use existing post. And then, dito nakalagay, select existing post. I-enter mo lang tong ID na nagawa mo dito sa taas. Ito. Right? Copy natin yung ulit. And then, i-paste natin dito sa ating enter post ID. Then, lagyan natin ng code and then submit. Lagay ito. Boom! Doon nakalagay na ang ating picture guys. So, yun ang ating picture. And then, of course, ang call to action natin, pwede natin i-change. I think hindi natin ma-change ang call to action eh. But let's try to para mang-add a call to action. Gagana siya ulit. But yeah, ganoon lang kadali kung mag-create kayo ng page post guys. So if your client wants to tell you, if your clients will tell you na to create a page post, then this is basically it. So, copyahin na lang to, studihan nyo yung post natin ngayon. And then yeah, kung may mga questions kayo, please don't hesitate to ask anything about this topic. And see you sa mga next videos natin guys. So, pwede natin i-click yung publish natin guys. Okay, bye. See you.